machines already make life or death calls on the edge of battle. A drone locks, a sensor flags, an algorithm scores targets while a human watches. That is the tension. Decisions moving toward machine speed with human control compressed into split-second overrides. We are not talking about chatbots. These are systems that route weapons, shape fires, and prune options before commanders can breathe. Over the next 10 items, we trace how targeting, surveillance, swarms, logistics, and planning tools quietly shift authority from people to models. Each beat shows what the software does, how it changes operations, and where oversight can fail. Expect concrete examples, operators, interfaces, and the real harms, civilian harm, misfires, and misrouted strikes. This countdown frames a practical, dark arc, assistance turning into delegation, and a new kind of battlefield that moves faster than human judgment. At number 10, autonomous drone targeting. A low tungsten drone hovers over a village at dawn, cameras cutting the light into boxes. The software ingests feed, prioritizes heat and movement, and proposes aim points to operators. It speeds targeting and shrinks the decision window. That change reduces warning time for civilians and moves lethal choices toward automated scoring. Misclassification or sensor glare can turn a market into a target. A pilot or analyst may approve strikes faster because the algorithm has already ranked options. Civilian casualties are a concrete risk. The world gains speed, but loses margin for error now. At number 9, Battlefield Surveillance AI. The system sweeps sensors across a perimeter, stitching feeds into heat maps and movement trails in real time. It flags suspicious patterns, pushes alerts to command, and redraws attention away from low priority areas. The change concentrates monitoring and speeds targeting cycles. When alerts are wrong or biased, patrols chase ghosts, and resources get misallocated. Families can be searched or detained based on an incorrect pattern. Operators grow to trust the alert stream and stop checking raw footage. Trust becomes a shortcut that hides errors. Local clinics see fewer medics on patrol. A child was once turned away from shelter because a flagged vehicle blocked access. Alerts can reroute reality. At number 8, Swarm Coordination. A farmer watches a distant sky filled with small machines, each moving like a practiced flock, while a single command echoes in a bunker. Coordination software assigns roles, reroutes units, and keeps formations intact. The change is a force multiplier. Fewer pilots can cover wider territory. When a comms hiccup or a bad waypoint occurs, many drones can converge on the wrong spot. A market vendor could be trapped under swarming surveillance and denied aid. Operators lose granular control when groups behave like a single weapon. Commanders trade numbers for speed. One error multiplies across dozens. At number 7, autonomous defense turrets. A single wrong burst can crater a bus stop and kill civilians within seconds. These turrets sweep perimeters, feed images into models that classify persons and objects, and trigger rounds on preset rules. Human control is reduced to a watchdog role or last second abort. If confidence scores drift or thresholds are pushed for speed, friendlies and bystanders get shot. During emergencies, active defenses can block firefighters and medics from reaching wounded. Routine maintenance or overnight software updates can add new failure modes. An operator's split. Second hesitation carries real weight. There is no rewind. At number 6, target recognition pipelines. A late night log shows missed labels stacking up, while alert dashboards stayed green. These chains push imagery through classifiers that tag probable targets and spit ranked lists to engagement queues. Automation speeds identification and prioritization across sensors and units. When models drift, training data are biased, or thresholds are nudged, whole pipelines begin labeling civilians as combatants. A medic on patrol denied rescue after being flagged is one real result. Small mislabels cascade across systems, operators stop seeing drift, audits are rare and fixes slow. The system heals in data, not people. Control is gone. At number 5, AI logistics routing. An operator watches supply convoys plotted on a map, green lines pulsing as the planner optimizes fuel and time. The software reroutes trucks, schedules resupply drones, and shortens supply cycles. The change accelerates campaigns and reduces manpower needs. When an adversary spoofs signals or the model optimizes for speed over safety, a convoy can be rerouted into ambush or civilian zones. A field hospital may miss a shipment of blood because the route changed. Commanders trust the plan and stop questioning suggestions. Supply decisions become hidden behind optimization. Logistics can kill as well as save. At number 4, Mission Planning Compression. A war room screen scrolls through hundreds of target options in seconds, color, coded, and ranked. Planning tools fuse intel, propose trajectories, and compress hours of coordination into minutes. That change lets commanders act faster, but it also concentrates judgment into machine-ordered lists. If bad inputs or rushed rules exist, entire missions can be sculpted around flawed data. A family sheltering near a target area can be moved into danger by a misread layer. Institutional checks can be bypassed by convenience. Visual overlays and priority ranks replace debate. A mistaken edit can set an irreversible plan. Speed becomes a liability. At number 3, Autonomous Scouts. It darts ahead of patrols, mapping roads, listening to signals, and streaming recon back as live overlays. Scouts reduce risk to human teams by shouldering observation and scouting tasks. The change makes advanced reconnaissance faster and more persistent. But when pathing algorithms misjudge civilians or prioritize routes through populated areas, people get trapped or displaced. A family returning home might find robots occupying their street and authorities react too late. Dependence grows as commanders start to rely on persistent feeds and stop sending human scouts. Maintenance gaps can blind a whole sector. Eyes without accountability are still a danger. At number 2, AI electronic warfare. An engineer in fatigues watches comms go quiet as a waveform war is waged across the air. Systems learn to jam, spoof, and reroute radios, optimizing interference patterns in milliseconds. The change hands control of the electromagnetic spectrum to algorithms that probe for vulnerabilities. When spoofing tricks friendlies into false positions, medics and convoys can be cut off or led into danger. Civilian communications and emergency calls suffer real harm. The opacity of adaptive jamming makes attribution hard. Investigations lag as adaptive patterns change overnight. Signals become weapons, and people lose a lifeline now. At number 1, Delegated Warfare Shift. A console in a command center can glow with a green tick and a mission approved, while the final decision chain is invisible. Algorithms ingest intelligence, rank options, and hand execution parameters to downstream systems. Authority slides from human deliberation into automated delegation across targeting, scouting, and electronic warfare. Audit logs are often partial or buried. Interfaces hide decision thresholds and confidence scores. Actions sometimes run with no clear human signature. Entire regions can be folded into automated patrols and rules they never consented to. A displaced family cannot get an explanation for why their village was struck. When governance cannot see how choices are made, harms spread and harden. No one is accountable. The key point is simple. Final note: faster decisions change responsibility. As automation spreads through targeting, scouting, logistics, and jamming, speed becomes an argument for delegation. That shift reduces human presence in loops and raises political and legal stakes. Oversight that relied on forms and war room debate will not catch up on its own. Concrete fixes exist, audit trails, stricter thresholds, human in the loop rules, and independent red teams. But institutions must choose them and budget the will to enforce them. Without that, errors scale, and the worst harms are then hard to reverse. The choice is ours: to slow the machines or accept warfare decided by code. Once that line is crossed, it is hard to pull back.
AI is moving faster than you think. Stay ahead or get replaced. Subscribe.